Hello students, today we are going to understand how to draw the chair form of cyclohexane. It is very important topic and many of you don't know how to draw the chair form. So suppose the cyclohexane is given in this form. Here it has CS3. Now here wedge CS3. Now how to draw or how to convert into chair form. So first of all draw the chair form. Chair form is drawn in this. So this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, this carbon and this carbon, all the four carbons are in the plane. So all the four carbons are in plane. It is like this. It's like this. These group and these carbons are in plane. Okay. Now so this is chair form. Now this is axial position, this is also axial position, this is axial position, this is axial position, this is axial position, and this is axial position. This is axial position. So these positions are axial position. Now it is equatorial position, it is also equatorial position, it is equatorial position, it is equatorial position, it is also equatorial position, and here it is equatorial position. So in this way 6 groups are at axial position. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 groups are at axial position and 6 groups are at equatorial position. Here it is axial, 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 here it is equatorial, 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 here it is equatorial. Now this group, this is above the plane. In the similar way this group is above the plane, and this equatorial position and this equatorial position, this sorry this group is not above the plane. This group is below the plane. Here it is axial but it is below the plane. So this group is above the plane, this group is above the plane, and here this axial group is below the plane, In the similar way this axial group is above the plane and this equatorial group is below the plane. In the similar way this axial group is below the plane here and this equatorial group is above the plane. This axial group is above the plane, this equatorial is below the plane, this equatorial group is above the plane and this axial group is below the plane. So all groups we have defined which group is above the plane and which group is below the plane. Now convert this into chair form. So we tried to place maximum at equatorial position and minimum number of groups at axial position. Since this make stable chair form, maximum number of group at equatorial position and minimum number of group at axial position. So here this group is below the plane, this group is below the plane, so place this group equatorial here below the plane CH3. Now this group is above the plane. Now if we place this group here, then it is at equatorial position and also above the plane. So place this group here, or if we want, we will place this group here also, because it is also above the plane and equatorial. So we will place this group here also. In this way, this form is converted into chair form.